everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm glad to see you on this side of the internet. This week's video I'm super excited about because I absolutely love Halloween and I also like the occasional cocktail. So I'm super excited to do Halloween inspired cocktails. I've been seeing these go viral all over TikTok, all over Instagram Reels, and all over Shorts. I'm really excited to test these out, see if they're any good, and bring you guys along with me. But wait. We can't go forward without adding a little bit of pizzazz. What's that magic phrase again? Oh, it's all just a bunch of hocus pocus. Now that's where I like it. So as I was saying, I've been seeing a lot of these viral Halloween cocktails, and there's so many of them and they look absolutely delicious. So I thought, why not test them out with you guys today? So I picked my top 5 favorites, the ones that looked absolutely amazing, and we're gonna be recreating them today and testing them out, and maybe I'll even score them from 1 to 10. Without further ado, here we go.
First up, Witches Brew. So I'll pop on the screen what this drink is supposed to look like. As usual, links are all in the description below. Shout out to this really cool $3 skull mug that we got from Walmart. We start off with half a teaspoon of pearl luster dust. I might have added a little bit more, but look how pretty. Then you want to fill up your cup with ice. Next, we'll add 2 fluid ounces of impressed gin. Next, we'll add 3 fluid ounces of sparkling water or tonic or even club soda, then half a fluid ounce of simple syrup and mix. Add 2 fluid ounces of lemon juice. Next, add half a fluid ounce of blue curacao. And watch as it slowly sinks down to the bottom of your drink. It's so cool. Lastly, add half a fluid ounce of impressed gin to create a thin purple layer at the top of your drink. Don't forget to use a spoon so that it floats on the surface. And voila! Here is our beautiful Witches Brew. Up next, Wicked Web Martini. Here's what it's supposed to look like. Now, Genevieve is a goddess for doing this one, because when I tell you that I struggled, girl, I struggled. You'll see the end results, like, it's insane. You'll start off by melting some marshmallow for like 15 seconds on the microwave. She used gloves and her own hands to make the webs. I just used a fork because I didn't want to burn myself. Maybe I should have used the gloves though, because this looks so insane. It looks so crazy. I mean, okay, it looks okay in the end, but yeah, it was such a struggle. Onto the drink, you'll need 1.5 ounces of vodka, half an ounce of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of grenadine, 1 ounce of apple juice, and half an ounce of simple syrup. She also added 1 dash of purple prism powder, which I believe is basically just purple edible glitter. I didn't have that, I only had pink edible glitter, so I added some purple food coloring. And I think this is where I met my demise.
That's not purple.
Are y'all ready for this? You guys are not ready for this.
Errou feio.
I mean, it's fine. Errou. Errou feio, errou feio, errou rude.
And here it is, y'all. In all of its glory. But want to see a magic trick? See? All better. Our third viral drink is Dracula's Daiquiri. So this is what it's supposed to look like from @cocktails on Instagram. Super delicious. So we start off by adding some red food coloring to some honey. I used a toothpick to stir in the coloring. Then you just want to roll in the tip of your cup into the honey. Hold that cup in the fridge or freezer while you're making the drink. For your Daiquiri, all you're going to need is 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 2 ounces of rum, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/2 ounce of strawberry syrup. Use a gummy fang and a strawberry to garnish, and voila! Here is your Dracula Daiquiri. Next, candy corn cocktail. Here is the inspo picture. Now this is one of the easier recipes or cocktails that I had to make. It's only grenadine, orange juice, and some Prosecco. The original recipe actually doesn't have any of the measurements, but I only used about 1 ounce of the grenadine because I didn't want that overpowering flavor. Then I filled up my cup until about 75% of orange juice. And then added that last layer with Prosecco. I added just another drop of grenadine to the top and then mixed to create an ombre cocktail. And voila, here is your candy corn cocktail. Last but not least, we got our Beetlejuice Margarita. Here's what the original drink looks like by @everydaycocktails on Instagram. Before you even start the cocktail, you want to freeze some blueberries into circular ice cubes. Then you want to add 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of sour apple pucker, 1 ounce of Maduri liquor, and 1 ounce of lime juice into a cocktail shaker. Then you can just pour it into your cup with your blueberry ice spheres. Between you and me, I didn't have any spherical ice trays, so I just used cubes and it worked really well. I made double the recipe so it could fit my cup. And voila, your Beetlejuice Margarita. Say hello to everybody.
Hello,
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm Chris.
Who are you to me?
Oh, I'm your husband.
Okay, yay! Okay, so I brought in reinforcements. Hello, we're about to try out our drinks. I'm here with...
Your husband, Chris.
Well, we're gonna start off with the very first one. This one is like a gin. I don't remember, to be honest. So yeah, do you want to start off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have to rate it. 1 to 10.
Oh, this one is good.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, I would say 9.
Wow, 9? 9 out of 10? Okay. Ooh. 9 out of 10 as well. This is really good. Off to this one. I can start us off. This one is the one that I'm most scared of drinking. But it smells good. Let's see. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, 9 out of 10 too.
I like it too.
It's really good. It's
But
like
I like
very...
the other one better.
You like that one more? I think I like this one more. Very like citrusy and I don't know, really good. This is a daiquiri. I feel like the daiquiri is easy. Like I feel like I don't know. I think it's gonna be good.
Yeah, it's good. I can taste the rum. But it's good. I would say like 8 for me because I prefer that one.
Yeah. I definitely can taste the coconut rum.
Yeah.
You're supposed to use regular rum. We used coconut rum, but it's still good.
No.
This one is our candy corn. Ooh, okay.
I think this now you have to mix it.
Yeah, I basically taste only the Prosecco.
Grab the thing of that.
Oh yeah, good idea. Ooh, it looks so pretty.
I like that one too. Yeah, I think that one for me is an 8.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll give it like a 7.
Really?
It wasn't my favorite. I feel like it tastes a little bit like orange juice, and for me, it tastes like a mimosa.
Yeah.
Last one, it's the Beetlejuice one. It's literally staining everything.
Well, this one is good too.
Yeah?
Yeah, but everything has red.
Mmm.
It's more like
Ooh, I really like this one.
the apple. I can feel it stands out.
Exactly. Like melon? Is it melon?
Yes.
Melon liquor, I think. It's literally like making everything bloody, though.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to rank which one we like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to like agree. So what's like the worst one, the last place?
That's difficult. I think maybe the one I would put the last maybe is a Daiquiri, just because it's too sweet for me. I like more the citrusy ones.
Really? Oh my gosh, no. Oh no. What do we think about this one?
I like that.
Okay, maybe we should do separate rankings. You do your ranking first. So this is the last one. Do we have a like second least favorite?
Maybe the green one.
Okay. It's literally staining everything, so it's got to lose some points for that.
Then I would put the that one. Then the purple one, and in the exact order like that. Yeah.
Wow, so this is your number. The first one is your number
I
one?
think I like that one the most.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, good to know. For me, I would have to do this least. This one, let me do it. I actually really like this one. I like this one too. Jeez, this is hard. Okay, I'll just do this.
Like that?
No, I think I like this one more.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, that's it.
That's good.
Okay, Elle, any last thoughts? Anything you want to say?
No, I really like that cup. But yeah, and the color too. Yeah.
But anyways, that's the rest of it. Like, that's our reactions to the cocktails. And anything?
No, nothing else.
Okay. Well, that's it, guys. So see ya. Bye. Well, that's a wrap for me, guys. This was so much fun. Hopefully, this was fun to watch as much as it was fun to make. So if you decide to recreate any of these drinks, please feel free to ping me, send me pictures. I would love to see what you make. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of these drinks now. So happy Halloween, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.